Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to stop Chrome notification in mobile. Friends, in Chrome browser sometimes we allow notifications for some unimportant websites which start disturbing us later. So first open your Chrome browser. Here press on these three dots on the right side corner of the screen. Now here scroll it little down and press on settings. In settings press on notifications. Now here press on websites. Now in notification settings, as you can see, there are two blocked websites and two allowed websites for notifications. Now suppose I want to stop notifications for this facebook.com. Now here press on notifications and here press on block. Now friends, as you can see, I have blocked notifications for facebook.com in my Google Chrome browser. And here you can see I have three blocked websites and only one allowed websites for notifications. So friends, like this you can very easily block notifications in your Google Chrome browser. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.